Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
In last session, you have any question related to constructor overloading and method overloading?
No, from
Okay.
my side.
Okay. Then,
Yeah,
yeah, Dinesh.
yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. Then in the last session we have question on here. What the error on here? This is a constructor error is coming on here. Why is coming error? Can you guess?
Yes, yes. No.
Yeah. Hmm.
Why
Okay.
10%?
Okay.
Mm,
I am extend the person. Okay. Means I inherit person class. In the
You
person
need to
class,
pass the you need to pass the constructor of that person class also.
yes, we have two constructor with the same parameter, default constructor in the two class. So this is
Hmm.
saying it is saying we are conflicting. We have two constructor on here. Okay. On here we have this is a derived class must contain a superclass. So for this we need it is saying constructor for derived class must contain a superclass because this constructor also is available on here. Okay. For that we need to super keyword. For that we need to super keyword. Okay. In this case, when you pass the super keyword, this is called the default constructor. On here we have without parameter. Without parameter, then this constructor will call this constructor. Okay. Then this line will execute it without parameter. Okay. If we can pass the any parameter on here, okay. If we can pass, okay.
So it will be called that parent class default constructor, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Just 1 second.
Super. I mean, that is the keyword in Angular. We can use for a
Yeah.
constructor.
Yeah. This is. Sorry. Can you tell me again?
I mean, super is the class, or just it's a keyword used in Angular like
Yeah,
that.
actually, if you in the starting, if you in the starting, you know any idea in Java?
Java, no. Java,
Okay.
no.
Actually, this is you know idea in the C sharp base keyword.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
You know the base keyword in C sharp.
What is the base keyword in C sharp?
Uh, Maybe you not use same things is a super keyword on Java and super keyword
Mm.
on TypeScript on base keyword in the C sharp.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
There are two keywords super and base both are same. C sharp base keyword and on here super keyword.
Mm. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Then when
Okay.
we have two class, parent class and child class. In the child class we have called the constructor. Then if you inherit parent class, then you need to in the C sharp you need to base keyword, and in the Java or TypeScript you need to super keyword.
Ah, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Then
Yeah.
suppose that ki on here we have constructor and on here call the uh, super means I have no any pass parameter on here. Suppose that we have pass one parameter. Okay. Okay. Then this constructor call the this constructor call
Single
uh,
second one.
second one. Okay. One parameter we can pass. Okay. On here if we can pass two parameter, one is a number, second is a string. Okay. On here second is a Dinesh. Okay. So then pass the
Mhm.
second parameter
First.
first. This constructor will pass call. Okay. So
Okay.
main use of this super keyword of this. Okay.
Okay.
After that, this is concept of inheritance. Okay, and
Similarly, if we require to use that base class method, then we need to use super also.
base. Sorry, can you tell me again?
Like that, we have used the constructor of the parent class. Okay. So
Hmm.
similarly, if we require to use that method of the parent class, then what we can do? We should use super.
Yes, you can use super. Suppose that ki you have child class and parent class. If you want to call the parent class constructor, if any logic related, so you can call the parent class constructor, and after that call the child class constructor. Same concept on here C sharp.
Uh,
Okay. Suppose that ki on here this call, after that this line will execute. Just I show you how to call these things. Where oh, can let, okay, let e imply, okay, then this is default, okay, then tsc uh, person dot ts, cls node, what the command on here, node person dot ts, okay. So on in the last you can see, on the last you can see imply constructor, okay, this imply, before that two parameterized constructor, okay, two parameterized constructor means this called super. Just I comment some code because on here some confusion, okay, I comment this line of code, okay. So I cls, oh, okay, sorry, cls node, okay, uh, again maybe some website printing, we comment this line of our code because multiple output is coming, so you have confusion about the output on here, okay. Print call, okay, some comment, all code comment is okay, only one line is executed, okay. Then again tsc cls node, okay, then two output, okay, two parameter constructor, then first is, okay, then call super, then call super go to the parent class, super, this super, okay, then this definition on here come on here, okay, then two parameter mandatory two parameter, then this if condition is call, okay, then print this line, okay, two parameter constructor, after that come back to the child, on here imply constructor will call, okay.
Okay. Okay. If there is no constructor in the parent class, then
If no constructor in the parent class, then no issue. If I if I suppose that key, I comment this line of code, constructor, suppose that key we have this code, okay, this code and this code commented, okay. After that this line no need because we have no uh, because this is saying the live class must contain super call, okay. uh, okay, you need on here constructor, mm, constructor, so okay, then we need, it is saying that derived class must contain super call, like we have no. So then actually on here, if you inherit, then in the parent class you need to must constructor. It is saying you need constructor in the parent class, right? Suppose mm, mm, without this, without it. Okay, okay. You must constructor in the, if you inherit the parent class, then you need to constructor in the parent class. This is a point on here, notice point. Okay, if we have in the child class we have constructor, then must
Mm.
constructor in the parent class.
Okay. So they want to one constructor in the parent class. They should be.
Correct. If you are using constructor in the child class and inherit parent class, then one constructor in the parent class. Based
Okay.
on the super, based on the super,
Mm.
suppose that ki I have uncomment one line. Okay, based on I uncomment this line also. Okay, so
Mm.
okay, so based on the super, we have in the parent class we have default constructor. Okay, so on here based on the constructor you can pass on here super keyword. You need to must pass the super keyword on here. You must
Okay.
one first point is you, if you inherit in child class parent class, then
Mm.
you add constructor in the parent class and
Mm.
inherit, then you need to pass the super keyword in the constructor.
Mm.
There two things is mandatory on here. One is a
Okay.
constructor, second is a super keyword. If you inherit,
Okay.
okay.
Mm.
Then on here, I call this. You can understand. If you add the some method on here, so info. No, you can understand these things. I only so imply info. So mp detail. So mp detail. Okay. The things you can understand. This is okay. Okay, these things you can understand. In a main concept on here, we have. I want to understand on here inheritance and use super keyword. Two things is
Okay.
main purpose of this inheritance. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. In any doubt, any other question, uh, uh,
No.
Dinesh?
No.
Okay. Then go from next topic. Start with the list. Okay. Then I create the one class on here, list dot. Yes. Okay. On here, first start with the let array. Okay. Array type is number. Okay. We have this is array type is number. Okay. This is array variable name. Okay. And this is type array on bit type number. Okay. This is a number on here. And after that we will we will talk about you understand the for loop. Okay. We have for loop, we have multiple type of for loop, for each. Okay, for each, for loop. There are two things. And for loop, I write on here for in. Okay, for in loop. Then for in loop, but the for in loop, we give the index on here. We have we uh, we give the index from the array. From array, give the index on here. Just I tsc list.ts node list dot yes. Okay, on here it is giving 0 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, for in is giving a get value from the array, get index from array. Okay, index and print index number on here. This is a for in loop. For in this is a in. Okay, and second is a for of for of loop. For of loop. Okay, on here it will give the value. It is difference on here. It give index. It gives index. Okay, it give value. Okay, then again print sc here node.
Not.
Okay, then on
Both
here
are similar. Both are similar. There's no change in the text and how the value and index.
nay, on here this is a predefined syntax. For in. Okay, for of.
Okay,
Of
off and in. Off for the
correct.
value and in for the index.
Correct. For in and for of. Of and in difference. Above is in, below is of. Of give value,
Okay.
in give index.
Hmm.
In give index, correct? Difference you can understand?
Yes, yes.
This is a major difference. Mainly purpose, this is a only difference. One is give index, second is give value. Okay? Then we'll,
Got it.
okay. Any confusion, then please let me know. Okay? Then next point, we will talk about spread operator. Spread. Spread operator. Okay? Spread operator. Okay. I have question. We have, suppose that we have two array. Array 1 and array 2. Okay?
Hmm.
We have one array. We have two array. Like uh, let array 1 is equal to array is equal to 1 2 3. Okay, and
Hmm.
second array is let array 2. Then my question is on here, how to add two array? How to add two array?
Array 1 plus array 2.
Yes, array 1 and array 2. Okay, go to the array 3 and
Yes,
okay, final variable. Correct.
correct.
This is simple. But on here is a spread. I will use on here. I will use on here spread operator.
Hmm.
Through the spread operator, we can add the array 1 and array 2. So how to add? Let okay array 3. Array 3 is equal to okay array 1 array 2. There is a three dot. There is a three dot is spread operator. There is a three dot is a spread operator.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose that we have not spread operator, then you can do on here let array is equal to array 1, okay, dot concatenate array 2. Correct? This syntax you can write. Okay, maybe array 1 plus array 2 you can do. Array 1 plus array 2 you can do. Like this syntax you can write. Okay, but when we use spread operator, then through this syntax spread operator, write the 3 dot is called spread operator. 3 dot is called, you can say I have write 3 dot, you can write 4 dot, 5 dot. No, this is a predefined. This is a predefined 3 dot is called spread operator. Okay, there is a 3 dot. Then value come in the array 3. Okay, there is a spread operator. You can say this is a combine array. Combine array. Okay. Any confusion on here?
No.
Suppose that you are saying the one is a integer, second is a integer also, then you can add. No, you can also change on here. You have question. Yeah, on here. One is a on here we can write the string value on here. Okay, character value on here. Then how to add? Then also you can add these things. Array 1 and array 2. Okay. This is a dynamic language. You understand? This is a dynamic language, JavaScript, and this is a dynamic language. Okay. So I I just print this line. tsc list dot ts cls. Okay, then output will be 1 2 3 abc. 1 2 3 abc. Okay, on here you can understand in the TypeScript we have no array, only list on here. In the TypeScript we have no array. Suppose in the C# we have array and list both are correct, but in the TypeScript we have no array, only on here list. These things you can say list on here means array things on array names array on here not available. This syntax on here a list. In the TypeScript you can say this is a list. Okay, then this is a spread operator. Any confusion on spread operator or in operator, in or off,
No.
in, off and spread?
No.
Okay. Then next operator will call about rest operator. Okay. Rest operator. Rest operator also used for 3 dot. But on here some difference. On here we have some difference like function we have write add. Okay. Yeah, or addition. On here we have two parameter on here. One is a number, second also is a number. Okay. Then okay. One is a number, second number, and return value. Console, or you can say return let result is equal to x plus y and console dot write line. What the error here? Why this error is coming? Can you check the syntax? What the syntax is on here? Can you tell me?
Additional x bracket should be one close.
Yeah. Bracket we need to bracket. Okay. So okay, and we call on here addition. Okay, 10 and 20. Okay, 10 and 20. Then clear ls. Okay, 10 and 20 output is 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Okay, 30. Okay, then but we want, after that we want, we have multiple value on here. We can pass on here 30, comma 40, comma 50, comma 60. Okay, comma 70, comma 80. Okay, something like this. Okay, then can you tell me in the C sharp how to how to pass this value? How to pass this value in C sharp?
Parameters we need.
Sorry, which parameter?
We need some more parameters or
Yes, yes, we
ref
have more
ref.
parameter. Can you tell me the keyword? Which keyword we are using for this more parameter? Which keyword we are using?
mm, not sure.
Okay, name it.
Not sure.
Okay, on here if you remember params,
Params.
PARAMS, params.
Okay.
Okay, understand?
Okay.
You remember? Param keyword is used for the multiple parameter. If you pass the multiple
Okay.
parameter, then can use the param on in the C sharp.
Mhm.
Okay, on here we can use the rest operator. On there param keyword, on here rest operator. Okay, then we can pass three dot, three dot, and num array, because this is a multiple parameter. Okay, we can pass this multiple parameter on here. Okay, these things on here pass. If you go in the C sharp, then you can write on here params and variable name. In the C sharp, you can tell me params like this syntax: params array variable name. These things are like this in the C sharp. Okay,
Okay.
so after that we can pass this parameter and print sum in the result. Then how to do? Then how to do? We can write the for loop and add this value in the result. Add this value in the result. Of we can use it on here. Of means we can add the value. Okay, in means
Yeah.
index. Of means value. Of means value. So we are using on here of let I of num. Okay, on there we can get value from the value of in and append value and print this number in the result. Okay, then check the output. Suppose that on here we have multiple value, so I can pass 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Then we can calculate how many value total. 3 3 6 10 15 21. Output will be 21. Then clear. Okay, not just. Okay, output will be 21.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes. Okay.
This thing, understand? This is a rest operator.
Yes.
This concept is for the rest operator. Okay, this is a spread operator. We can append to value to it on here, and we can pass multiple value like this. You can use the rest operator. Also, another example I will show you. Suppose that on here we will talk about the value. Okay, I will talk about the object. We want to the spread the object. How to spread the object? Okay, suppose let person obj is equal to uh, okay. First, you can write okay these things obj or you can remove these things like simple right. Person ID :1, comma, person name Chandra. Okay. And we have we can, this is a one object. Okay. And I want to add another. I want to spread another property on here. Let new person obj is equal to, we are using spread operator, dot three dot, use the person obj comma, we can add the city in this object. Okay. So on here we have this object. On here we have two property, and we want to add another property. Then through the spread operator you can pass this third property. Okay. You can pass this third property on here through the spread operator. Okay. Then you can check on your output. Okay. On here, person 1, person name, and city Hyderabad. Correct. Through this you can object, in the object you can use this thing. If you want to append any property through the in the object, then through the spread operator you can do it. Okay. Then I will if you want to understand, then go to the understand these things.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then next topic we will discuss about the destructing. Okay. Destructing. Destructing means suppose that we have array. Okay. We have one array. On there we have suppose I write the example, thank you understand better. On here let books is equal to Java JS NTS. No, on here like I have created the JSON object on here of 2. Okay. 1 2 I will add 2 only. Okay. There is a 2 things on here. 2 value on here. And after that we want to push book another book. We can push another. Okay. Then in the book object we have 3. Okay. 3 book. These are Python and Java. Okay. Then after that we want to do destructing array. How to destructing? Let on here we have in the book we have 3 array. Okay. Then one is a C++, one is a C++, second is a Java. Okay. Second is a Java. Okay. One is a one like on here.
I think you should pass in single quote.
No, right, these things. Okay, this is a plus, maybe some a dot. Okay, these things you can write. Some variable you can pass on here. After that, we can pass the um, uh, rest book. Rest book. Okay, we pass the first is a C plus plus, C plus. You can write C plus. Second is Java. Okay. Third is rest books. Okay. So I have three JSON object on here. Okay. Then I get value. Means definition of this destructuring array element, assign array element to the variable. Okay. This is a variable. Okay. This is a spread operator object. Okay. Then I am destruct the uh, um, JSON object on here in the variable. Okay. This value store in the C plus C++. Okay. And this JSON object store in the this variable. Okay. Remaining store in the this object rest book. Rest operator. Okay. Remaining how many books in available on the, then third is stored in the this is rest operator from the book variable. Book object, this is object on here. We can first assign this on here, second assign on here. This is a variable on here. Okay. Then we have break the object on here. We have break the book object in the variable. One variable, second variable, and remaining in the rest operator. This is object rest operator. Okay, remaining in this store in this rest operator. Okay, so then we can break the object. We are breaking the object in the variable. We are breaking the object in the variable. Correct.
Correct.
Then what is the output on here? Console. Sorry, I not. Console C++, console Java, and rest. Okay. This is a variable, this is a variable, this is a variable. Correct. Then okay, on here you can see book. Okay, on here book, this is a this object on here, this variable, second variable, and remaining variable. This is a in the array. This is a list. Okay, this is a list on here.
Here in the JSON object, we pass the book name C++. Okay, and in the destructuring array, you are using the C++. So how it will be? Break the thing in that
In the
the
variable.
index type.
No.
The index type.
No, this is a on here. This value start get value from the starting from this is a array type. Okay, array 0 1 2 3. Then first value assign on here. Second